You remember sometime back, Pastor Ricky shared with us this video testimony of this guy, Manuel Lonto Jr., who was an angkas driver. And he would just share the gospel with all of his passengers, both local, Tagalog speaking, and foreigners alike. And he even joked that he apologizes because his English is consumable. No? So cute.
I deliver it to you in English. Because my English man is consumable.
Pinless tayo na ito pong rider na ito ay Christian. At siya po ay taga CCF. Kapatid, si Brother Manuel, pwede po bang umakyat ka dito, brother? Lord, we are so blessed to have a brother who has a heart for you, Panginoon.
Good job. God bless you, Kuya Manuel, ha? Kailangan na natin tawagan yung presidente ng kumpanya nila.
Like that.
Tsaka pag nagtanim ka, di ba? Una, hindi naman papansinin eh. Kasi wala pang tumutubo eh. Pero once na tumubo yan, may nakita ko, uy, may halaman. Anong gagawin mo? Kukultivate mo.
Oo.
Paalagaan mo.
Oo.
Kahit hindi ikaw yung nagtanim doon, may ibang tao.
Pero nakita mo na may
tumubo na. May ibang tao na mag-guide doon para mas lumago sa Panginoon.
I like that. Natutuwa ako, Manuel, na nakausap kita.
An angkas driver for less than a year since May 2023. Recently, he started his gospel motovlog in January 2024. You can find him on YouTube and TikTok as Kuya Man TV. He has 3 wonderful children named Grace, Sienna, and Leah. He has a beautiful wife, Erica. Kuya Manuel Lonto Jr.